In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Steam Desktop Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Steam Desktop app, what to click, and how to enter your code so your game is added to your account without any hiccups. Start by opening the Steam Desktop app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. This matters because once a key is redeemed, it's permanently tied to that account. Give Steam a moment to fully load so all the menus appear at the top of the window. Next, look along the top menu bar and click Games. On Windows, that menu sits at the top of the Steam window. On macOS, you may see it in the System menu bar at the very top of your screen. When the Games menu opens, choose Activate a product on Steam. This launches a small setup style window that guides you through the redemption process. You'll see a short introduction and then the Steam subscriber agreement. To proceed, review the terms and click to agree. This is a standard confirmation that unlocks the next screen where you'll enter your code. Now you'll land on the product code field. Carefully type or paste your Steam key exactly as provided. Most keys are a series of letters and numbers grouped by hyphens. Don't worry about capitalization, but do watch out for common mix-ups like the number 0 and the letter O, or extra spaces if you copied the code. Also note that product keys are different from wallet codes, and some keys can be region-locked or limited to specific platforms. When you're confident the code looks right, click Confirm or Next to submit. Steam will validate the key, and if everything checks out, add the product to your account. You'll typically see a success message and may be prompted to begin installing right away. If you get an error, double check for typos, make sure the key hasn't already been used, and confirm it's intended for Steam in your region. If problems persist, contact the retailer you purchased from or visit Steam support. That's it. Your Steam Desktop key is redeemed and ready to go. Enjoy your game.